Hey folks, and welcome to Unit 1 and Week 1. So, if you haven't already, go through, watch the Welcome to Class video here and the How to Navigate the Course video, okay? Those are both super important. If you haven't already done those, make sure you go through and do this, okay? This week, to-dos, watch those two videos. You want to complete your introduction post, that is right here. You want to look over all of your course information. You want to then take the introductory quiz. This is a quiz sort of over the syllabus, the details of the resources that are available, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, it's 5 questions. You may take it twice. Okay, it will not tell you which answers you got wrong the first time, I think, but you are allowed to take it a second time. I'll give you a score, and you are allowed to take it a second time. Okay, and I'll after you guys have all taken it. I'll post some information about anything that people frequently missed, okay? And then finally, check your Prairie State email and then send me an email to say hi, okay? I might shoot you a response and ask you to kick it back to me, okay? So I know we've got your address in my address book, and it just will make my life a little bit easier as we move forward. Okay. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Should be a pretty simple week. You can get started on week 2 as soon as you want. Okay. Talk to you soon.